Now, how to set up white label domain? White label domain is your web app, like what you see in app.lindo.ai, but on your branding domain. To set up your white label domain, you just need to put your naked domain, like 0crm.dev. Here you should just input your main domain without any subdomain. In the next step, you will define your subdomains are of each parts. This is your web app domain, like app.lindo.ai. So we usually set app.0crm.dev. For website subdomain prefix, it's your branding websites under your subdomain. So all the new websites of you create or your clients create will be under this subdomain. So yeah, try to use a few words like sites or buy. So each website would be website name dot buy dot 0crm.dev, and the last place is your email, like login emails or invitation emails will be sent with this email. So it could be hello or anything else. So app.0crm.dev, star.buy.0crm.dev, and hello@0crm.dev. Let's set up the domain. Okay, these are your DNS records you should use in your DNS provider. If you are using Cloudflare, we recommend that. That's the best DNS provider, and it's free. You can do that with Domain Connect. It's a one-click setup domain, so it's the easiest way. Currently, we are just supporting Cloudflare, but if you're not using Cloudflare, anything else, you can use this setup to do that. So it's very simple. These are your names, and these are the values you should use. So let's copy app. Here you should use cname app, this, and make sure you disable proxy. Yeah. Next, cname. Disable the proxy. Next, star.buy. It means anything dot buy. For emails, they are txt. Make sure you choose txt, not cname. So it's txt. This. And the last one would be DMARC. Okay, just wait for a few minutes or sometimes few hours. It takes to, as you see, we are okay, and yeah, your domain is ready. Note that sometimes you activated CAA records on your domain, so we will show you two other DNS records with type CAA. You need to set up those on your uh, DNS provider. Let's create another one. Buy, and make sure for the first one it should be the issue. It's one time for one domain, and for buy it should be issue wild or wildcard because it's for all the subdomains for buy. So make sure you select wildcard, and again let's encrypt. All right. You can always click on these links to see if your DNS records set up well. So you can always check them by clicking on these links. So you need to wait to all the DNS records propagate and be ready to set up your domains. As I told you, it would be takes minutes to hours, maybe to 24 hours. So you need just wait and click on the refresh, or you can close this page and open it when you want to see if all the records are ready. Okay, let's see. Okay, white label domain is connected. You can try it with and yeah, you can see your white label domain and you can log into it, or redirect your clients to your white label web app, this domain, to log in or register.